Experiencing no data on Cricket Wireless? It's common and usually fixable. Here are three key reasons and solutions. Check your data plan first to ensure you haven't exceeded your allotment. Second, disable data saver mode, which can block data speeds. Third, reset your APN settings to Cricket's defaults. Remember to restart your device after trying each fix to apply changes. First, check your Cricket Wireless data plan using the My Cricket app or website to ensure you haven't exceeded your data limit or have any billing issues. Next, disable data saver mode in your phone's settings, found under Settings, Network and Internet, Data Saver, as this feature can sometimes restrict data usage even when you have data available. Finally, reset your APN settings by going to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, APN. Then select Reset to Default or manually input its APN details, which are nd.nam or reseller based on your plan. Incorrect APN settings are a frequent cause of data connectivity problems. Addressing these three areas should resolve most no data issues on Cricket Wireless. If the problem persists, contact Cricket support for further assistance.